Today I'm going to share how you can make money online fast, and this is available worldwide. So in this video I'll show you the method, I'll show you exactly how this works, we'll go over the website that you need to use, and this is very easy to get started with. So I'll go over what you don't need. So with this method to make money online, you do not need any experience, you do not need any skills, you don't need an email list, and you do not need to spend lots of time on this. Now make sure you watch this video till the end because we're going to go over this step by step, and if you miss any of the steps then you won't know how to do this correctly. Now once we've gone over the method and I've shown you how this works, I'll then go and share with you how you can actually fast track your earnings with this. I'll share with you how you can get everything down to less than 30 minutes a day, and then finally I'll show you how you can leverage other people's efforts to make more money online. It's pretty cool stuff. So let's jump into today's video and I'll share this method with you of how you can make money online very fast. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to go over this simple method to make money online fast. Now the website I'm going to be sharing with you today, the reason why I've chosen this website is it's very beginner friendly, it's easy, it's free to sign up with, but look, you can use the method I'm going to teach you in this video on many different platforms. So the website we're going to be using today is this one here, and it's called ClickBank. But as I've mentioned, you can use this on other platforms. You can use this on ShareASale, Affiliate Window, Commission Junction, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, many more. So let's start right at the beginning. So in order to make money online, we're going to need something to promote. So we're going to find a product which we're going to actively promote. So to do this, it's really simple. Go over to ClickBank and create a free account. Then you're going to come up here where it says Marketplace and click on here. That will bring you to this window here. Now on here you can go into this and filter by categories and things, but I wouldn't recommend that. All I would do is at the top here with the search bar, click on the search bar. Then what's going to happen here is it filters all of the products via popularity. So you can see this is displaying results 1 to 10 of currently 4,273 products. So on here we're going to find a product to promote, and simply just go through and find a product that you want to promote. So you can go through and have a look at this. So once you find a product, so let's just scroll down. So over on ClickBank I tend to focus on the higher end products. So like for instance, let's have a look. This one here, Organifi. This is a very good product, and I know this is a decent product because it's got a very good average sale rebuild, but you can see here it's got an average rebuild total. So if you was to promote this product here and people sign up, then you can earn an income from this every single month. Now how do I know this? Well, obviously it's got the rebuild total here, but any product that you want to promote on here, they've got an affiliate page. So if you click on affiliate page, it will open up a new tab and you can go ahead and have a look at the products that you're promoting. So this is the affiliate resources page for this product here, this Organifi, and you can go through and have a look at this. So you can see how much you earn, 50 to 75%. They've got a funnel with high earnings per customer, around $100 on average, high quality products, etc, etc. Then it goes over the different products that they've got available and why to promote this, and you can use all of this information on here. So you go through, have a read of the product that you're promoting. If I go back over to ClickBank, so this is Organifi. Now if you wanted to promote this, it's very simple. I'm going to click on here, promote, and then this box here is going to open up. Now you see here, this vendor requires affiliates to be pre-approved. So in order to get approved to promote this product, so you click on here. It looks like it's taking us back over here. So ready to promote, let's scroll down here. Really simple stuff. So my ClickBank affiliate nickname, and then where do you want to send people to? Any of these here, so you'll be sending them over to this here. So if I go back over to ClickBank, my ClickBank ID is basically your login or your name. So mine is then123. I'm going to click on get link. There is my link. Now if I click on that, so this here is the page where we would be sending people to. So we've got our link, so let me just go back over here. So let's go back up here. So this is our link here, and we would be basically sending people over to that link, which sends them over to the sales page for the product here. Now scroll down here, you can see this is exactly where you'll be sending people to and how much they'll be buying the product for basically. And there's lots of testimonials on here, and you can see 30-day supply, money back guarantee. And what happens with this product here is it's a very popular product to promote because obviously it has a recurring commission, so people purchase this, that, you know, if they like it then they'll purchase again, and it does have a pretty decent recurring income on here. Okay, so you've now got your products that you're going to promote, and this is the offer where you're going to be sending people to. So let me just go back over to ClickBank here, and look, this is just for Organifi, but this, as you've seen here, look, let me scroll up here, there's thousands of products on here, so you simply go through and have a look at these products. So this is where the part of making the money online fast comes into play. So now you've got your link, how are you going to promote this? And this is where lots of people fail. So I'm going to share with you this method, and it's very good because you can pretty much fast track what 98% of affiliates are trying to do with this. So some people go out and create blog posts, which are very good, but that can take a lot of time. People will go over onto Instagram and, you know, create accounts on there and start creating content around Organifi and, you know, green juices and all that sort of stuff. And then another method, what people do is go over to YouTube and create a video. And don't worry, I'm not telling you to go and create a video, but let me just share this with you. So we've got Organifi. So we're going to go over to YouTube and find people who are promoting Organifi. So on YouTube here, you can see I've just typed in Organifi review, and look at this. Currently, 5,400 people every single month are actually going on Google and YouTube and searching for Organifi review. So we know that there's a marketplace for that. Now on here, you can see we've got all of these different reviews on here. Now what we're going to be looking for is we're going to be looking for YouTube videos about this product with ads on. So I've already had a look at this one here, and now let me just go and look at this one here. So you see here, look, this is ad, sorry, let me pause that. This is ad 1 of 2. So guess what? You can have an ad before this video here about the Organifi green juice review. So let me go back here, and you'll see in a minute why this is so important. So if I scroll down here, let's have a look if this person here has got ads on their account. No. So that video there would not be any good for us. So I'm going to come down here, let's find another one, bar blend, let's have a look at this one here.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Nick at barblend.com.
So you see here, Nick allows videos, Nick allows advertisements on his channel, so this is another one. So what you would do is you'd go through some of these videos on YouTube and find ones who have ads at the beginning and within the content. Ideally, you would want the ads at the beginning. So in this example here, this which one here? This quality grains, you could go ahead and target this video here. And as you can see at this moment in time, it's currently had 18,000 views. And what you would do is you would go through and you'd find 2 or 3 of these different YouTube accounts which are basically doing a review video on the products that you want to promote. And then once you know that they've got reviews on there, you can then actually get your video ad to play before their video. Now, in terms of creating video ads, you do not need to be on camera. You don't even need to talk on camera. You don't need to do any of that. If you want, you can really simply create some YouTube videos. Create some videos, and sometimes, depending on the products that you're promoting, they will also have videos that you can use yourself. So let's scroll down here and have a look on this Organifi. Have they got one on here? They've not got one on the sales page. You could then go over to the affiliate page, see if they've got any videos on here that you can use. It doesn't look like they've got one on here. However, you can very simply create an ad for this here, what you would place over the top of this. And in terms of creating your ad, the reason why this method works so well is because you can actually specify to YouTube that you want your ad to run before this video here, before this one, before this one. And then what happens is people are coming over to YouTube, they're searching for Organifi review, they're going to click on here, and then what happens is obviously the ad plays before his video. Now on here,
protein shake.
Now on here, in terms of the ad, your ad literally can be 20 or 30 seconds long. It can be very simple, of something along the lines of, if you're interested in Organifi, click the link down below, you'll go and get XYZ. You can make it as broad or as small as you want. Now in terms of the ads, the great thing about running the ads, let me just quickly show you this, is if you go over to Google Ads here, you can specify the videos that you want it to be played for. You can set your own budget, so you don't need to spend lots of money with this. You can get started for $5 or $10 a day just running these ads. It's very simple. So you can see on here, this is how you walk through your ads. So you give a campaign name, you've got your video on here, then you've got locations, audience, and your budget. It's honestly that simple, and you click on Create Campaign. Now in terms of creating your ads, you can use free softwares like Loom. That's a free software that you can use. You can use other ones like Lumen 5. Again, all of these things are done for you, and even if you didn't want to talk over the top of your video, you can get someone to you can outsource that to somebody, or you can simply just talk over a video like I'm doing here. And look, this method to make money online, it works fast because you're actively getting your ad in front of people who are looking for the product. So you can see on here with Organifi, we've got 5,400 people looking for this product to review every single month. So if you can get a really 20-30 second ad in front of people on these videos, you're going to get sales. Now at the beginning of the video, I said to you, if you want to fast track this, I'll share with you a method to do so. So look, you can go and do this all on your own, and you can create the ads on your own and learn how to do the YouTube ads yourself, and it isn't that difficult to do this. It'll just take some time. If you want to speed up the whole process, then I recommend this product here, and it's called Eclipse. And this product here, it will cost you $13. And on here, let me just quickly show you this. This is how simple this whole thing is. This is the course. I've got this myself. You can see you've got welcome, you've got a method overview, and then you've got the required tools, and you've got three different methods on here. You've got the easy method, intermediate, and advanced. And these here walk you through how to create really simple YouTube ads, especially this one here, the easy method. Absolutely anybody can do this and make money with this method. So click on method overview, where they're going to the method and they talk about this. Right now, let me just pause this. You can see these are some of the earnings over on Warrior Plus, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you do not need to just use ClickBank with this. You can use this method on Warrior Plus and many other networks here. Now, Jono, the course creator, I mean, you can see he earns a hell of a lot of money every single day. In Eclipse, he teaches you how he runs these really simple YouTube ads, and he earns between $500 and $1,000 a day. Now this product, as I mentioned, it's $13. It's very simple. This whole course here, the videos, they're well laid out, they're easy to follow along with, and they're really simple. You see, like this video here is 8 minutes. If we go over the method overview, it's 5 minutes. If I go down here, these videos are a bit longer. You can see this is 30 minutes, 27 minutes, and advanced here 23 minutes. And again, you can see he gives you access to free review video courses and lots more. Honestly, it's a brilliant course, and it's incredibly cheap. And to make this even better for you and help you out with this method to try and fast track your earnings on here, I've gone ahead and created a bonus package for you. So what that means is, if you purchase this product today, you will not only get the products, you'll also get these bonuses that I have put together for you. So you'll get access to my Not Taught at School Affiliate Academy. This is valued at, well, it's $49. If you want to go and purchase that, that's how much it would cost you today. This is a full course. It includes PDFs, a support group, and ultimately it's a complete course to earning online. If I scroll down here, we've got a case study, and this is a case study, an unreleased course. This here shows you how you can take what you learn in Eclipse and then basically tailor this. If you didn't want to do if you didn't want to do YouTube ads, then you could actually do simple review articles on blogs and free websites. And this here shows you how I was able to get the #1 spot for this here, this El Bandito. This was a new product launch, and as you can see, my blog article was at the top of Google on page 1. It was even above the course creator, Anthony Mancuso. So that there is a course. It will show you exactly how to get your blog articles to the top of Google. Bonus number 3 is a full launch jacking Bible. Scroll down here. Again, it's a complete course. It's got a case study in here. It shows you everything you need to know to make money online with launch jacking. There's then this bonus here. It's called Linda Garden's Lazy Method. It's a full course, and again, that there will show you how you can make money online with affiliate marketing using free traffic. Bonus number 5, as you can see, I've put together a hell lot of bonuses for you. So by purchasing this and using the bonuses, it's just giving you absolutely everything that you need to earn money online. But bonus number 5 is 0 to 1,000 subscribers fast. This again is one of my own courses. It will show you how you can, if you wanted to, build your own YouTube channel, how you can basically go from 0 to 1,000 subs in 6 weeks. And I also go over what you should and what you shouldn't do. We've then got a bonus here. This is how to set up retargeting. So the ads that you run into people on YouTube, this bonus here, it will walk you through how to run retargeting ads to the people who have already seen your first ad. And then bonus number 7 is a 90% off AdWords. This will show you how you can get 90% off your Google AdWords. So that basically means is if you had $100 to spend on YouTube ads, well, if you take what you learn over on this bonus here, you'll actually get it for $10, so you get 90% off. And then also I'm going to give you access to all of the vendor bonuses, so that's an additional $2,312, and you get an Instagram software, you get 2 alternative traffic sources, you get another course called the Fuego Breakout, and then you also get branding hacks 1 and 2. And all of this comes with a money back guarantee. And look at this, we're giving you a double money back guarantee. If you set up Eclipse method and you don't make at least $100 to $1,000 in your first 3 days, then they will give you back double your investment. So how much will it cost you? It will cost you literally $12.95, and for that you will get all of these bonuses here, all of my custom bonuses here, and also the full Eclipse course here, which shows you how to make money with this really simple method. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.